Hi there, I'm Melissa Welsh from Welsh Design Studio, and this video is the first of a two-part series about how you can save some major money buying furniture, which is oftentimes your biggest home decorating expense. This video is focused on buying furniture from local furniture stores. Today, we are going to be talking a little bit about buying furniture and ways that you can save money. I just published a blog post and it talks about different ways that you can save money at some of the online stores like Wayfair and Amazon and Birch Lane and all those. I also talk a little bit about how you can save money at places like Pottery Barn and Crate and Barrel and Restoration Hardware and things. But today I want to talk specifically about buying furniture from furniture stores and local furniture stores. In order to kind of set the stage for this, I want to talk a little bit about how the process of buying furniture and selling it works. After owning my own shop, after working as a designer, I have a lot of good insights into this process. And once I learned about it, I was like, wow, there's a lot of money that I could be saving if I knew all this information as a consumer. So I'm going to share that with you today. I'm going to peel back the curtain a little bit, let you know how it works, and hopefully save you a bunch of money. Let's talk a little bit about the furniture pricing and purchasing process. I'm not going to go into every detail because it would be boring, and also, who needs all that? It's different at different places. But I want to give you enough to make you kind of that dangerous consumer when you're shopping for furniture. First of all, furniture stores purchase furniture from furniture manufacturers. There's only so many manufacturers in the world. There's a lot of them, but there's only so many out there. So that's why you will find the same furniture at different furniture stores. It may be priced the same. It may have a different name, especially if you look online, but the furniture is the exact same. The furniture that furniture stores buy from the manufacturer is bought at a really low price. Like we're talking wholesale, bottom dollar dealer pricing. Then the furniture stores take that and they mark up the furniture by a certain percentage and sell it to you at a retail price, also known as a MSRP, or manufacturer suggested retail price. Now, not every manufacturer will tell the furniture stores exactly what they should sell it for. Some of them will give a minimum price that says, if you're going to buy my piece of furniture, my sofa at my wholesale price, you're going to need to resell it for at least 2 times the price, because I want to make sure my furniture is not being sold for too low. I'm trying to protect my brand. That furniture is marked up to a retail or MSRP price, which is usually around, in the furniture industry, about 2 to 4 times what that furniture store bought it for. So a furniture store could buy a piece of furniture, a sofa, let's say, for $1,000 at the wholesale price. They will then turn around and mark that up, 2 to 4 times and sell it to you, the customer, for $2,000 to $4,000. And that retail price is kind of fluid. It's really left up to the furniture store and to really set that. So this is why furniture stores can have huge sales, because they're going to make a lot of money off the purchase. Even if they discount that piece of furniture, that sofa, 30%, they're still going to make a big profit on the sale. And this is why you, as a consumer, need to be aware of this, and you need to be willing to ask for a discount. And I know this is really uncomfortable for people, but truly, you need to understand that there's a lot of money out on the table. They are going to make a big profit. Even if they discount that furniture piece to you by 10%, 15%, they're going to make a huge profit on the sale. So you don't need to feel bad about asking for a discount and seeking those discounts out. You're not harming the furniture store, trust me. We talked a little bit about MSRP, and the second word in there is suggested, right? It is a suggested price. That's why you see a lot of variability when you look at furniture stores. They can set the price to whatever they want, as long as they're meeting a minimum that might be dictated by a manufacturer. So you can look online and you can find the exact same piece of furniture at different places for very different prices. And when you're shopping online, it's really important to comparison shop, and you can do that pretty easily. When you're shopping in a furniture store, my biggest tip for you is to ask for a discount. You need to ask. Even if it's on sale, it does not hurt to ask. The worst thing that can happen is they just say, no, sorry, there's no room for us to give you a discount. But the best thing that can happen is they give you, 5%, 10% off right on the spot, and you can save, hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Hopefully, by knowing and having a little better understanding of the pricing and the process, you feel maybe a little more empowered to ask for a discount. I know it's uncomfortable, but the worst they can say is no, and you haven't lost anything. So, very important when shopping at especially local furniture stores that you ask for a discount. Tell them, I'm totally interested. I love the sofa, but it's priced really high for me. Are there any discounts or special offers available? And if there aren't, they might be willing to throw in free delivery or free shipping, which also can cost hundreds of dollars. So if you can get that for free, you can save, quite a bit of money. So that's kind of all I had today. Feel free to go read the blog post. I'll put a link to it in there, and you can see different ways that you can save money at furniture stores, at popular, national chains like Pottery Barn, at online furniture stores. Got some tips in there. If you're looking for furniture, use these tips, go save some money, and hopefully never pay retail price again, because furniture industry is known for inflating their furniture prices. And I hope you learned a little something today, hopefully enough to just make you a little more of a savvy furniture shopper and hopefully empower you to feel okay about asking for discounts.